Cuyahoga County be aware that fraudulent and discriminatory foreclosure has been aided in Cuyahoga County over the last 3 years by the City Mortgage versus Patterson ruling issued by the Ohio 8th District Court of Appeals. One of the prime culprits in this horrendous injustice is 8th District Court Justice Frank D. Celebreeze. Celebreeze sat on 2 separate 3-judge panels in the year 2012. He sat on the case of David versus Sensenbrenner. That's appellate court number 98636. And he sat on our case, City Mortgage versus Patterson, appellate number 98360. With both cases being journalized on the same day, December 13th, 2012. Astonishingly, however, there were 2 completely opposite and conflicting decisions rendered in these cases, with Celebreeze sitting as presiding judge on both. Referencing paragraph 14 of the David case, the 8th District ruled that David is correct, and I quote, that the party filing the foreclosure action must own the mortgage. Remember that. Must own the mortgage. Oddly, however, the 8th decided in Patterson that a plaintiff could establish standing with either the note or the mortgage. City did not own the mortgage at filing in Patterson, yet it rules in their favor on appeal. So how is it that the plaintiff must own the mortgage in David, but it is unnecessary for the plaintiff to own the mortgage in Patterson when both cases were journalized the same day and Celebreeze presided over both 3-judge panels? Now this is really key. There's concrete proof the city didn't own the note either or have any rights whatsoever to the Patterson property, but those details we'll discuss at a later time, and we shall. The only case I'm aware of outside of Cuyahoga County where the toxic precedent in Patterson was utilized occurred in a Mahoney County case, City Mortgage versus Lawn Car, although there may be others. The plaintiff in Mahoney, once again, was obviously City Mortgage. They again were represented by the law firm of Graydon, Head, and Ritchie, the same law firm that represented City Mortgage before the 8th in our case, in Patterson. And lo and behold, sitting by assignment on the 7th District Court of Appeals of Mahoney County was none other than our friendly neighborhood Ohio 8th District Court of Appeals Justice Frank D. Celebreeze. The cancer is spreading. Make no mistake, Patterson is a fraudulent, discriminatory, and disingenuous status quo decision which should be stripped from Ohio law, just as Celebreeze should be ousted from the Ohio 8th District Court. It violates ORC 29-2145 as it relates to civil and constitutional rights. It violates the Federal Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. It violates the Federal Preemption Doctrine, which we'll discuss later. Federal case precedent and other tenets of both federal and state law, too numerous to mention. Homeowners in Cuyahoga County best beware that this ruling, which is chiefly ineffectual in all of the other 87 counties in Ohio, is a potential legal albatross for any homeowner having foreclosure actions filed against them in Cuyahoga County. Given that it has at minimum infiltrated Mahoney County, however, we need to be cognizant that the cancer is spreading. The footnote here is that there's a 207-page brief, this brief right here, I have filed with the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency and the FDIC, who forwarded it to the CFPB, entitled City Mortgage versus Patterson, Judicially and Politically Sanctioned Housing Theft in Ohio. This brief addresses all the issues I previously talked about, but we'll discuss at a later time, and it will be uploaded for public view soon. The reason why I bring this to your attention in a joint effort, as it were, is that we have right now in Cuyahoga County, City Mortgage versus Patterson as law on the books because of the Ohio 8th District Court of Appeal. Now, mind you, the Supreme Court won't touch this case. They're allowing us in Cuyahoga County to be taken advantage of with this ruling. Now, you go anywhere else in the county, in the state of Ohio, you're going to have the note and the mortgage to foreclose. In Cuyahoga County, you're doing it one or the other. Now, guess who that targets? All of us. And for those of you that don't know, out of the eight counties in the state of Ohio, there are more African Americans in Cuyahoga County than any other county in the state. They are targeting us. Some of it's subtle, some of it's overt, but they are targeting us big time. And I wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. I'm going to pass the mic tomorrow because this thing can get much more in depth than I have the time to cover in this limited form, but we will have breakouts later. So I'm going to let Marvin talk to you for a while, but keep it